bag right in the middle so it don't roll away. Don't go nowhere. All right, and you get your sticks. These poles, these things, they're gonna keep everything straight, falling over. So you get to your campsite and you get your sticks out. And you wanna make sure you're doing this whenever it's still light out. You don't wanna be dark, because then you can't see nothing. So you're gonna get this, and if it's real hot, make sure you take the zippers off your pants here, zip those off. Make sure you stay cool. You gotta drink a lot of water, stay cool. All right, so just snap that in. Yep. Now once them are snapped, all right, oh, we got one more. This is the middle one, this is a shorter one. So, yeah, get that snapped. All right, now you get your tent. Want to get that? Yep. Just kind of, yeah. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. But you see, hang on, it's upside down. Alright, now you can move your sleeping bag. Put that there. Now grab your pole. Alright, that pole that I got, alright? Get this pole. That hole right there, you gotta stick it in that hole there. Yeah, stick it there in the ground. Yeah. Now, blue side down, y'all. Alright, you're looking for these right here. These liners. That's what you put the hole through, like that. Okay? Get that liner. Feed that through here. You want to watch out for bears while you're doing this too, because sometimes they'll sneak up on you and they'll get you. If they come, you say, "Hey bear," you know, "Hey bear." All right, you're gonna feed that sucker through. Oh no! Help! Help! Jay. Guys, we got to cut. We got to come back another day. This out here being in the wild is just too wild out here. I can't do this.